Hello everyone. Welcome to A Garden a Day with Maidenbrook Gardens, where we explore the world one garden at a time. Today is December 6th. Today we are exploring Baker Arboretum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Baker Arboretum was founded in 1992 by Jerry Baker, a local philanthropist and former president of Airgas, who worked with landscape architect Mitchell Leichhardt to design the arboretum with thought to trees, plants, and art. The arboretum spans 115 acres and overlooks the Western Kentucky University campus and the city of Bowling Green. The arboretum includes a number of flowering trees, including dogwoods and magnolias, 88 species of conifers, 106 types of Asian maples, and 153 species of Kentucky natives, including 17 that are considered endangered. All told, there are 600 total species of plants, with over 1,500 varieties growing in the Arboretum. The Arboretum has received a certification as a Monarch Way Station and as an American Conifer Society reference garden. The Arboretum is part of the Kentucky Garden Trail. The Arboretum is closed on Sundays and Mondays, but is open from 10 to 4 Tuesdays through Saturdays from November to March. In April, the Arboretum stays open a little later until 5 through spring and summer. Well, that's about it for today's garden visit. Join me here tomorrow to find out where we're going next. As a reminder, you can subscribe, like, or follow this podcast on any of the major podcast players. I will be launching a newsletter in January. To sign up for that, please visit our website, agardenaday.com, and click on the subscribe button. Thank you for listening today and every day. If all goes well, I'll be right back here tomorrow. See you then.